how to promote Digistore24 products on Facebook in 2020. Digistore24, they just came to America. They're the largest affiliate marketing platform in Europe. Okay, so they're from Europe. They just came to the United States back in November 2019, and everything is still unsaturated. As an affiliate marketer, you can get in on the ground floor and get products that are good products, because Digistore only has good products. They have a screening so that they only have good products, and they're not saturated. There's not a million affiliate marketers trying to make money selling them, because Digistore is still new. So let's get involved. Let's jump right in, and let's use Digistore24 on products, and let's make money with Facebook ads. Okay, sign up for Digistore24. Very easy to do. It's a one-page sign up. Everybody gets approved from any country. So anywhere in the world, you can get approved for Digistore24. No excuses. You don't even need a bank account for Digistore24. They'll pay you with PayPal every week. Okay, so they'll pay you for PayPal, and so you're going to go to the marketplace, just like if you were doing ClickBank. If you're a new affiliate marketer, it's called the marketplace. It's right up here. Okay, marketplace, and they're going to give you over here all the niches, and you're going to search. You might have a niche already. Maybe you're a baseball player, maybe you're a knitter, maybe you're a painter, maybe you do pottery, maybe you dance, maybe you play guitar, whatever your niche is. Okay, you're going to look over here for a product to promote if you already have an audience, right? So we're just going to scroll down, and I've already looked at this product, Doctor's Book of Survival Remedies. It's got $36 payout, $36 commission, right? $36 commission. They have an affiliate support page. Now, like I told you in other videos, subscribe to my channel for more information, and don't miss a video, okay? Leave a comment down below if you need to know something more. If you want to ask me a question, I reply to everything. So you're going to have an affiliate support page. But down here, we got the cart conversions. We got the cancellation rate. Okay, commission is 75% of the sale. All right. So now cart conversions. I did this in the other video. We're going to do it again quick. So, I mean, to the offer. You can't send it straight to the offer. You have to have a landing page. Okay. So you can't send it to the offer directly. You need a landing page. All right. We're going to use 1,000 clicks. Right. And we said there was a 23% conversion. We all know what the math's going to say, 230 sales. So we had 230 sales, right? And we're going to times that 230 by 8% cancellation rate. Okay, so we made 230 sales, but 8% of them are going to cancel, and that's going to be 18. Okay, so 230 minus 18. Right? So we had 230 sales minus 18 cancellations. All right, 212 sales, and we made $36 each sale. Okay? $7,600, 1,000 clicks. Now, you're saying to yourself, how much does 1,000 clicks cost? So you're going to send 1,000 visitors. Oops. The average Facebook ad costs 30 cents. Okay. So for $300, it's going to cost you $300 to send 1,000 clicks. All right. So the $300, but you made 7,000. Okay, so if you have the $300 to start, and if you clicked on the video, you realize that you're going to spend money on ads, right? So you had $7,600. I don't remember the small change. So $7,600, and you're going to minus the $300, and that's going to be $7,300 is going to be your profit. Okay, now how long does that take to do? That takes about 20 days. Okay, you're going to run $5 a day ads on Facebook for whatever offer you're using, and this is going to be your conversions. Okay? Okay, so like I told you, you got to send them to your lead page. So here's a lead capture page, okay, and you're going to turn around, you're going to change all of this stuff. Now this is the builder all cut and paste website builder, but they're all the same. It's all cut and paste. You could change. Over here you can put your image, your lead magnet. You would put your lead magnet over here. You're going to capture their emails, and when they get on, then they're on your list. And once they're on your list, you can market to them for the rest of your life. Okay, so that's the thing. Click on the link in the description. I'm going to leave other videos down in the description on how to do sales funnels and how to build sales funnels. And if you want to know, subscribe to the channel, because I got so many videos on it. Okay, so now you've got your lead capture page, right? And this is going to go, when they click this, they're going to go onto your lead, your email list, and they're going to go straight to the offer page. Okay, and they may buy on the offer page and they may not, but that's why you're going to catch up to them and send them emails to show them the value, why they want to buy that item, because they were already interested in it once. So you're going to say, this is your life with the item, this is your life without the item, and this is why you need the item, this is why your life's going to be better once you buy this. And you keep doing that until they buy or until they die, whichever, die or buy. So we're going to go over to Facebook ads. Subscribe to the channel. Okay, A/B testing is very important, and how it works is basically you're going to take 2 or 3 headlines. You're going to run $5 a day ads for each headline, see which one works better. Okay, then you're going to turn around and you're going to run the same headline, and you're going to take 3 different images, and you're going to send ads to 3 different images, and you're going to find out which one converts better. And you're going to put the title with the title that works best with the image that works best, and you're going to do the same thing with the body or the description or the copy for the ad. And you're going to, until you get something that works, all 3 things. Okay, and then you could do the same thing with the audiences. You're going to go, we're going to go onto the audiences, and you're going to decide you're going to send certain ads to this audience, certain ads to this audience. You're going to split it up to the man and the women, and you're going to find out who's buying more. Maybe only women are buying that product. Maybe only men buy that product. And the only way you're going to know that is by testing it. And so it takes money to make money with ads, but it's $5 a day for each test. And you just keep going. All the gurus start with $5 a day ads. It's a bunch of malarkey, because it's not $5 a day ads. Okay, it's each ad is a $5 run, but you're going to run a bunch of ads to see which ads are. You're going to try a bunch of different headlines. We're going to get through that in a minute, but don't fall for $5 a day ads. Okay, continue. Now, I don't know what your niche is going to be. You're going to figure out what your niche is. I'm going to go with, I think I'm going to go with auto repair, because that's what I was doing earlier. So, but you would put up here your ad set name. Okay, so now there's campaigns, then there's ad sets, and then there's ads. Okay, so you're going to have campaign, which is the overall, and then you're going to have different ad sets under that campaign, and then in each ad set you're going to have ads. Okay, in different categories, different themes, different, right? So Facebook, you need a Facebook page. Okay, so doesn't really matter which page. Okay, audience, custom audience. Okay, let's we don't have a custom audience. We're going to go location. Now here we go with the location. That's up to you. You can go United States. You know what offer you're running. If you're running one of those offer vault things where it could be in a different country, could be in UK, could be in Germany, could be in Australia, wherever it's being run, that's where you want to run your traffic. Okay, now again, you're going to pick the age. Now, split testing before, okay, you can run the ad to all between 18 and 65, or you can break it up into groups and go 18 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 50, 50 to 75, or whatever. Okay, you break it up into different categories, because different people like different things. Okay, gender, you can change it to male or female, or all genders. Okay, sorry, they only give you 2 choices. Detailed targeting. So now you can also go into detailed targeting. I'm not going to spend time on the detailed targeting, because let's go to the edit and I'll show you. You can put anything you want in here. Auto repair. Okay, now here comes suggestions, and here comes some audiences. Okay, now I'm covering it over here. If I move over to here now, it's showing you the size of the audience. That's your potential reach. But now this is telling you if I pick this one, that's the size. If I pick this one, that's the size. If I pick this one, then you want to narrow down your audience, get a narrower niche. Okay, niche down, as they say. Okay, niche down. Okay, so that being said, I don't want to confuse you by picking. I picked auto repair. You got to stick to your niche, to what you know. So I'm going to try and leave that blank for now and continue on. Here's the important part. Let me move over here again. Come down here. Okay. So you're going to edit placements. Okay. And now you're going to go and you're going to not have all of these. You're going to have the feeds, Facebook feed, Instagram feed. You're going to unselect all of this other stuff. Okay. Now, I'm not going to spend time on clicking it all, but that's what you're going to do. You're going to come down here. Okay, you're optimized for reach. And let me see, did I miss anything? Nope. Continue to the next page. See if it'll let me continue without putting all that other stuff in. So now we're down on this page. Okay, we're going to create an ad. Now this is where you would put the ad in, but I'm not going to go through that because, like I told you, that's all subjected to your niche and what you're doing, not what I'm going to do. So if I start you down a road, you have to be an independent thinker. Okay, so you come down here. Okay, so it's over here. The ad. It doesn't. This is something old that I had. Don't pay any attention to it. But we're going to add a website URL. Okay, it's very important. You have to have a website URL. I'm going to go, if you want to know more about, what you need to get your ads approved, because that's a whole nother story, getting your ads approved. You need a website. On the website, you need certain other things on the website, like terms and conditions, frequently asked questions, all different other websites that you need on there, legal pages, in other words, okay? Otherwise, if you don't have those legal pages, Facebook's not going to approve your ads. So if you want to know that stuff, leave a comment in the description. I have other videos. Subscribe to the channel because I do have other videos on Facebook ads that'll show you all of that stuff. So you want a website. So you're going to put the website URL in there, okay? But now what that gives you now is a call to action, okay? And you're only going to get this call to action if you started the whole process with the reach campaign. Okay, now you also need some software to make this work for affiliate marketing, right? You're going to need a landing page. You're going to need a landing page builder. You're going to need email marketing. You're going to need email capture software, and you're going to need an email autoresponder that automatically sends out emails. Okay, so you're going to need all of those things. And I have a 14-day free trial for Builderall. Builderall has 30 apps that you can use to make money online, and my channel is all about using the Builderall platform to make money online. So subscribe to the channel and join Builderall. And the course, it all works with the other platforms. The theories are the same. It's just different software that you're using. So you don't have to, if you're not using Builderall, you can still watch my videos and get value. If you're using lead pages or ClickFunnels or whatever, it's still the same thing. It's still the same. You're still doing the same thing, just using a different tool. Okay, so you're going to use a hammer from Sears instead of a hammer from Home Depot. It's the same thing. You're still using a hammer. All right, but now the bottom line is, what's the value? How much money are you getting? Now, for those other places, you got to get the web page builder at one place, the sales funnel builder at someplace else, the email capturing somewhere else, and you're paying all of this money. Before you know it, you're spending $500 on software a month, and it's going from 3-4 different places. Builderall has everything on one platform for like $60 a month. You can even get it for free. Look into it. Click the 14-day free trial, and there's different stages, and if you click the link, and you'll find out. All right, so now where are we?